Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. From a price action perspective, if you see, Nifty ended the day 0.24% up with the open and close near the vicinity of each other, while Bank Nifty ended the day relatively flat. Both frontline indices displayed a certain extent of indecision in the market sentiment. The broader markets, on the other hand, are still firmly in the buyer's control, as seen by gains of 0.18 and 0.65% respectively in the mid-cap and small-cap indices. Coming to the macro factors, the US dollar index currently trading around 102.5 levels have formed a high wave candle on the daily charts, which imply indecision despite high volatility. US 10-year yields recovered above 4% and have surpassed the 20-day EMA. This posts better set of economic data. Coming to Brent crude, while it is relatively range bound, it has posted a higher low. It's essentially to keep an eye on the key levels of $83 per barrel, as any move above this could trigger short covering, potentially leading to an increase in price towards $87-89 per barrel. Such a development may be negative for the Indian market, while in case 77 breaks on the downside, crude could slide further towards $73-72 per barrel. Coming to the quick check on the global markets, the S&P 500 faced additional profit booking as the week progressed, retesting its 20-day EMA around 4,680-4,690. Looking ahead, till the EMA holds, the index can resume its positive momentum till the levels of 4,750, and above which the index can move towards levels of 4,840, 4,890. On the downside, in case 4,640 breaks, the index could witness further profit booking. Coming to Nifty, 21,600, 21,630 would act as an important support level, while on the upside resistance is placed at 21,800, 830 levels. Below 21,600, index could test the levels of 21,450 on the downside. While on the upside, in case 21,830 is taken out, the momentum could continue towards the levels of 22,000, 22,050. If we look at the weekly OI data, call writing is currently witnessed in 21,750, 21,800 strikes, while on the put front 21,700, 21,600 witnessed considerable open interest. Overall range for the index could be 21,600 on the downside and 21,830 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, 47,820, 47,900 is likely to act as support, while on the upside resistance is seen at 48,350, 48,400 zone. Above 48,800, Bank Nifty could witness short covering towards the levels of 48,750, 48,850 levels. If we look at the expiry data, that is Bank Nifty expiry data, 48,300, 48,500 calls have open interest data, while on the put side it is mainly seen in 48,200, 48,000 strikes, implying a near-term range of 47,820 on the downside and 48,600 on the upside for the banking index. Coming to stocks and sectors in momentum, Nifty Realty was the best performing sector for the second consecutive day with gains of nearly 6.76%. Top stocks within the sector were DLF, Prestige, Shobha and Godrej Properties. Nifty Auto also witnessed positive traction. The likes of Bosch, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge look currently strong on the charts. FMCG stocks saw buying the likes of VBL, Godrej CP, Kolpal, Dabur, Tata Consumer continued the positive momentum which has been seen from quite a long period in the FMCG pack. Selective banking names such as Axis, AU Bank, IndusInd witnessed strong momentum in trade. From the pharma space, it was the likes of Biocon, Abbott, Oro Pharma, APL, Pfizer, Glenmark which continued to witness positive traction on the upside. From the broader markets, we saw bullish setup in the likes of Adani Ports, LT, GMR Infra, ONGC, Concor, Bajaj Auto, Titan, Torrent Pharma, Poonawalla, Fortis. All these counters witnessed positive traction. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, FI has bought to the tune of 1,696 crores, while DIS sold to the tune of 3,497 crores. FI long short ratio for index futures marginally improved to 66.83 as they bought about 4,186 index future long contracts. On the stock futures front, FIs sold to the tune of 2,284 contracts, while on the options front, FIs bought 71,598 call contracts and 2,21,305 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.